Department of Rural Health developed the Specialist Certificate in Empowering Health in Aboriginal Communities as a pathway course for people working in Aboriginal health to encourage them into postgrad education. It is a pathway course. You can go on to do a graduate certificate, and we encourage students to go on to do the Masters of Public Health. So in addition to the foundational academic skills, reading, writing, research, sourcing and referencing relevant literature, we look at the health and history of Aboriginal people and how Aboriginal and Western knowledges can be applied in the field of health.
So the course is structured around a project. So students will do a project in their local Aboriginal community, and it needs to be something that will be of benefit to the community.
Some of the projects we've seen over the past are an Elders Retreat, a diabetes support package, an evaluation of a nursing pathways program, a youth mentoring program through sport, and one even created a possum skin cloak that was gifted to the local hospital.
We look at how to work effectively in Aboriginal communities, and we also look at where it impacts with modern Western medicine and how we can work together with both to the benefit of all of our peoples.
We developed the Specialist Certificate as an entry course for a whole lot of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander health professionals who've worked for their communities, with their communities and in health and community settings for years, but perhaps don't have that formal qualification. This course offers students an opportunity to pursue a university degree based on their work experience, gain some academic skills along the way, writing, researching and so forth, and open up opportunities for these students to move forward.
We always have some local students, but we absolutely welcome people from anywhere in Australia. And the way we run it makes it possible for people to do it.
Most of our students we've seen, change their jobs, undergo promotion and really benefit from undertaking the course and the skills that they've gained.
The project that I've chosen to do is looking at the pathways and resources that Aboriginal women and their families get once they're diagnosed with gestational diabetes. For me, gestational diabetes has a big impact on our mums and their babies and their families around them, and the service we provide needs to be what Aboriginal women want and what Aboriginal women need. And it was due for a bit of a review in terms of how my service provides that support to women and what we give to women. And so throughout the course now I've got the ability to do a project that looks at that looks at what we give women, that will look at, alongside in partnership with women, what they want and what will benefit the mums and the babies and their families. So it's something that I feel quite passionate that we can actually make a difference and improve the service that we give to our mums.
I just highly encourage anyone who's looking to further their studies and their education. I know this will put me in really great stead to go forward and do what I want to do. I want to work in Aboriginal affairs, no matter what specific sector or focus that will take. But I know this will help me make a contribution to making my people and our futures bigger and brighter, and be able to sit around the table with some and be able to hold those conversations and be able to contribute to really positive solutions.
I've never been in a course that has so much support from the university and the facilitators. The level of support has been absolutely phenomenal, and if you've never studied before, I don't think it would matter. They're here to help you and they want you to succeed, and you feel that every step of the way. There is more resources provided to make it easier than I've ever experienced ever before. So
we do take a fairly small cohort. This is not a large course with 100 students sitting in a lecture theatre. This is a small cohort who get to know each other, who support each other and work together to complete it. So it's a great opportunity to start your university education.